What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Flowers, the entrepreneur, back with another video. Well, actually, not the entrepreneur, it's the hustler. I done had to change my name to the hustler due to the fact couldn't nobody really spell entrepreneur. Every time I try to tell, hey, look up my YouTube, man, Jay Flowers, the entrepreneur. We both be sitting there trying to figure out how to spell it. So yeah, I changed it to the hustler. I felt it was better suited for me anyway. Because, you know, you sitting in the interview with me, the way I talk to you, I'm going to be more of the hustler versus the entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? how raw I keep it. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like it's more suited for this channel anyway. Because, yeah, we keeping it raw. Not no entrepreneur type lingo. It's more hustler type lingo on this channel. So, Jay Flower the Hustler it is. But anyway, on to the video, man. I got some footage of me, getting physical at Amazon, but I'm gonna show y'all from step one to the last step of an Amazon route and just the ins and out. And I'm gonna tell y'all my thoughts as well on Amazon for all y'all that's just itching to get your MC and all that to run for Amazon, man. Look, right now they got 6 matches, and I don't know why my computer do this, man. It be putting me in Florida. It's like, for some reason, they think my location is Florida. So let's go to the A, man, where I'm at. We in Atlanta, right? 41 matches, okay. That's good, right? On to my next point, which lead me to my next point, excuse me. Look at all this. 53-footer, 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 53-footer. That's all that is right there. It ain't for the box trucks now. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like for the box truck. But for those of you who trying to decide whether to go box truck or 53-footer, what that tell you? What this number tell you? Then look at these numbers. You hear me? Them box truck ain't seeing nothing like that. I don't give a fuck where you going in the box truck. With Amazon anyway. But yeah, look at the numbers. And then look at this. This is the next catcher. You get a tractor, you don't even have to get a trailer. They got so much work, and then they got the trailer provided. You ain't doing nothing but, you know what I'm saying, dropping the hook in they shit. You know what I'm saying? Dropping the hook in they shit. Power. Some of they got the ones for, you know, who already invested in your trailer too. They got some of them for your trailer. They got it all for that 53-foot, you know what I'm saying, 18 with them. But all right, let's revise the search to what we on. We the box trucks. We the box truck gang, right? So let's type in box truck. This is how you type in box truck for Amazon. Just 26-foot truck. Let's Atlanta, Georgia. 100 miles is a lot for your origin. So let's do 50 because I'm in Atlanta, so I would like to at least start in Atlanta. Let's put that in, and we're just gonna leave it right there. That's pretty fucking vague, right? To anywhere. We got the truck. That's all we need. But get what? Zero. But for my folks out there in Tennessee, I ain't even gonna change Atlanta. I'm gonna just change the radius. I'm gonna put 100 miles. It should say similar match down here. I put 100 miles. And look, oh shit. It ain't really, usually it'd be at least 10 coming out of Atlanta. This is Laverne, Tennessee. And let me show you how much that pay. That ain't paying number $300, $1.52 a mile. And they only got one. Usually Laverne, Nashville, they be having motion. But Atlanta right now, crazy, 0. And I had a postal truck. You can do postal truck to where, you know, you do the whole filter I just did, 26-foot truck, when you can start, how much you would like to be paid around, you know what I'm saying, approximately how much you'll be paid. I'll be putting $2 a mile, and you know, postal truck. And I did that, and I'm telling you, the last 3-4 days, I was having nothing from Amazon, no motion. I did postal truck, still wasn't having no motion. Then one night I'm sitting there chilling, watching the game, just chilling. I was finna fall asleep. I get an email 3 days later from Amazon talking about you booked for a load starting in 3 hours. I'm like, what the fuck? So yeah, I had to, man. I accepted it because, like I said, Amazon hadn't given me nothing in like 3 days of me even doing postal truck. And then of course I was on here checking the load board. Man, let me tell y'all this, man, for y'all itching to just get on Amazon. Basically, Amazon ain't nothing but a load board. Really, really. It's just a load board. And you know how many load boards it is? As a business, you don't want to limit yourself to just one avenue. You know what I'm saying? And this ain't nothing but a load board, bro. One avenue. One avenue. So if Amazon ain't hitting on nothing one night, which, and look, here go Florida. They always, I don't know why my computer do this, but I promise you, they always having some motion. So if y'all in this area in Florida, I mean, it look like y'all still got plenty motion. But the A is kind of saturated with the box trucks right now. But yeah, anywho, once you sign up with Amazon, that you'll get to this, you'll get to see this. But you won't get to see the load board and a couple other things is missing. But once you're accepted from Amazon, then you get to see what you need to see, which is the load board, which I showed y'all with the load board hidden on. And if you're an investor and you trying to decide between 53 foot and the box truck, man, every load board look like this too. Like I say, Amazon to me ain't really nothing but a load board, shawty. Nothing but a load board. So, and then I go to another load board, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be just the same shit. Everything need, you know what I'm saying? Everything on the tractor trailer, 18 with a 53 footer. Like everything, like it'll be like 1,000 for the 53 footer, and it might be like 10, 20, 50 for the box trucks. Just something to keep in mind if you do have the means. See, I got a CDL, so I'm really considering it, but I like the idea of how many more jobs I could create, I feel like, with a non-CDL vehicle. But I showed y'all the A. I'll play around with it on another video, show some other areas. If y'all drop some of y'all areas, I'll put them in and see what kind of motion y'all having out there for the box trucks. But y'all see, I showed y'all Florida, basically some Tennessee and the A, what the A doing. And shit's slow, man. Like I say, Amazon ain't nothing but a load board. But anywho, back to that night, man. I'm sitting there chilling and they just upped and gave me a load when I ain't even really want no load. I'm gonna drop the footage of that after I show y'all pretty much the payments of it. Let me see, let me go back here. Let me go to trips. Where's trips? Trips, there we go. Bam. Alright. I did the other night, what we did, we went from the East Point, Atlanta Amazon facility to Hartselle, Alabama. And we had one in between that. Let me see. Gadsden, Alabama. Oh, that right. We ended up splitting that. So I only had to end up doing Hartselle, Alabama. And this is how much it paid. Here go the specs of it. It was 192 miles, and we got paid $385.68, which equated to approximately $2.01 a mile. I don't know why they put this, because that show took me more than this. I was out there about 10, 11 miles, son. I don't really know what this supposed to mean. I was out there a minute. But yeah. Now what we got paid, we started in the A, went to Hartselle, Alabama. We drove 192 miles approximately. And yeah, this was from the postal truck that just booked it for me. It was all the credentials I had put in. I was putting $2 a mile in and it just booked it for me. But I'm telling you, I had posted it 3 days prior to me actually, you know what I'm saying, getting it. 3 days, I had forgot I even did it. And yeah, I just had to get up and go and do it. And here's the video of it. Another day in the trap. Picked up a late load at Amazon at 2 a.m. I'm finna go in here and get checked in. Then back into the dock and get loaded. I'm in the old Reliable today. Old Reliable cross truck today with my dog. Just got my badge. Now I'm going to the guard shack to figure out what dock number I got to back into. See what he said. I had to stop by the guard shack back there. Ask me what door number. He say 104, so now I just gotta drive around the 104 and back in the 104 and go in there and load it. But yeah, they tell you at the guard shack what door number you gonna be at. You gotta give them the last four of your trip ID. So now I'm just looking for 104. Then I'm gonna go in there. Alright, so I found my door. They told me I was on 104. Right there. Make sure that number match. They're gonna tell you that number too. And then you gotta load all this in your car. All this shit ain't gonna fit, but just get as much as you can. So that, you know what I'm saying, they say you can go. All that scan, you gotta scan, you know, the little code right there. It's an app on your phone you scan it with. And then load it up with the pallet. But yeah, I gotta put all this on the truck as much as I can fit. So I scanned all the barcodes and I loaded all the stock. I was able to get them all on there. Now we got to check back out and we headed to the first stop. Do what I say, man. Sometimes you gotta say fuck everybody and everything, man, and worry about your safety. Fuck everybody and everything. Some shit like this is crazy out here. I can barely see. Alabama, going mayhem on me. But I ain't gonna kill myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm at the post office, I download. I gotta scan every package. I can't record now. Record me scan the package with the same form. But yeah, we here. This be hard to use, you gotta line that up right. Usually make a knot right in there. Another time. So today, I think I went into pretty good detail as far as the steps doing an Amazon load. Let's recap. I booked the load online, first of all. Then I pulled up to Amazon and I had to check in with the guard shack. The guard shack told me what my door number was that I needed to back into. I had to get an ID too at the front desk. You get your picture when you gotta go through that shit every day. You get a new ID to get in the building. Then I went and backed up under my door. Then walked in the building. Check in. That's the next step. Check in with Amazon. Let them know you're there. Ask them how many scans you got. How many scans you're looking at for the day. She should tell you how many scans and approximately where your route package is located. So then I go and scan the dope. Scan the dope first before you scan the package. You gotta scan the dope that you bagged up onto. It's a barcode on the dope. You scan the dope. Then you scan all your packages. Some people do it differently. Some people scan it as they put it in, or you can scan them all at one time. I had so much shit I knew it wasn't gonna all fit on there, so I scanned it as I put them in. Because I knew it wasn't all gonna fit. And How do you load it? You load it with your last stop first. And then in that order, your first stop is the last stop you load. So say for instance you're going to A, B, and C. And in that order, it says go to A, B, and C in that order. The first thing you load is C, then you load B, and lastly you load A. Because that's your first stop. So after I loaded it, then you go back to Amazon and you check out. You tell her how many scans you end up fitting on the truck. She gonna type it up in the computer and tell you you're good to go. Then boom, you off to your next stop. You get to that stop, ask the post office where they want their boxes. Most if they ain't there, you can just put them outside. Most of the time they there though, and they want them in a specific ass spot. And it's okay to help them out. Help them out. So once you know where they want to put and shit, you scan them as you're taking them off. First stop, make sure it go to that stop. Check everything, make sure it go to that stop. And I think Home got it right down. I smell something. Night transportation. Got something on it. Yeah, make sure it's the right stop. Scan it. Bound, scan everything that belongs to that stop, and then put it where it need to go, and hey, you done. That's pretty much it with Amazon. And you come on home.